Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. Use your university email or valid student ID to prove enrollment. Once you've confirmed your school qualifies, sign into the Google account you want linked to YouTube Premium. Make sure billing details are current because you'll need to subscribe immediately after verification. Next, open YouTube Premium Student Signup. Choose the student plan option. You'll be prompted to enter school info and upload proof. Do that now so you can proceed to the verification service. Once you're inside the verification flow, follow the third-party verifier instructions step by step. Upload a clear scan or photo of your student ID or provide the requested enrollment date and program details. Ambiguous images delay approval. After submission, monitor your student email for a confirmation code or acceptance message. If asked, allow the verifier to access the minimum necessary info. This speeds approval. Once verified, return to the YouTube Premium page and confirm your plan choice and payment method to activate student pricing. After confirmation, activate the plan so the student discount starts immediately. Check your account page to verify the billing date and discounted rate. Once active, sign into YouTube on your phone, tablet, and browser to sync ad-free downloads and background play across devices. If verification fails, re-upload clearer documentation or use a different student email. Sometimes a slight file format change helps. If problems persist, contact the verifier's support and provide the rejection reason.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.